Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. Hi Miss Ulfa. My name is Tuti Nur Hasanah. My student ID is 442503132. I'm from UBSI Mutia Bekasi, from the Faculty of Communication and Language, majoring in Communication Science. So, smoking around campus, freedom or responsibility? So today, I want to talk about something that we see almost every day, people smoking around campus. Some students light up right after class, others do it while hanging out with friends. For some, it's no big deal. For others, it's really annoying. That's why this topic always brings to sides the pro and the contra. Let's start with the pro side. Many smokers say that smoking helps them relieve stress. College life can be really exhausting. Deadlines, exams, group projects, and personal problems all at once. For some people, smoking feels like a short break, a few minutes to relax and breathe. It's also often a social thing, a moment to talk with friends, share stories, and chill together. Besides, they argue that smoking is a personal choice. We are adults now. We can make our own decisions, including whether we smoke or not. As long as smokers don't disturb others or break campus rules, they believe they should have the freedom to smoke, especially in open areas. But then there's the contra side, and it's also very reasonable. First, smoking doesn't only affect the smoker. The smoke spreads and other people breathe it too. Even those who don't smoke, it's not fair that someone else has to inhale secondhand smoke just because they happen to walk by. It's a public space, and everyone has the right to clean air. Second, smoking makes the campus environment look dirty and unhealthy. You can see cigarette butts on the ground, smoke near classroom, and that smell that stays in the air. For a place that's supposed to promote learning and health, it just doesn't fit the image of a modern, clean university. Lastly, it can influence younger students or visitors who see smoking as something normal. A campus should set a good example, not make unhealthy habits seem acceptable. Now, I think both sides have valid points. Smokers deserve respect, but so do non-smokers. So maybe the best solution is balance. The university could provide designated smoking areas far from classrooms and main walkways. That way, smokers still have their space and non-smokers can breathe freely. At the end of the day, it's not just about smoking. It's about respect and responsibility. We share the same environment, the same air, and the same campus. Whether we smoke or not, we should care about how our actions affect others. Thank you so much. Bye.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is Tutin Hasana. My student ID is 442503132. Today, I am going to present about the question words. What are question words? Question words are essential in English grammar. They are used to ask for specific information rather than yes or no answers. These words help us obtain details about people, time, places, reasons, and manner. For example, what is your name? How are you today? The purpose of question words. Question words serve several important purposes: to gather detailed information, to make communication more meaningful, to encourage interaction and understanding. They form the foundation of effective questioning in both spoken and written English. The main question words. There are 9 common question words in English: what, where, when, who, whom, which, whose, why, and how. Each has a distinct purpose and is used in different contexts. What? What used to ask about things, actions, or information. For examples, what is your name? What are you doing? What time is it? 6 details about objects or facts. Next, where? Used to ask about place or locations. For examples, where do you live? Where is the library? Where did you buy that book? 6 information about position or direction. Next, when? Used to ask about time. For examples, when is your birthday? When do you usually study? When did the meeting start? Function helps identify the time an event occurs. Next, who? Used to ask about people as the subject. For examples, who is your teacher? Who called you yesterday? Who helped you with your assignment? Function refers to the person performing an actions. Next, whom? Used to ask about people as the object. For examples, whom did you meet yesterday? Whom are you talking to? Whom did you see at the party? In modern English, who is often used instead of whom. Next, which? Used to ask about choice between 2 or more options. For examples, which color do you like best, red or blue? Which course are you taking this semester? Which flavor of ice cream do you prefer, vanilla or strawberry? Refers to a selection among alternatives. Next, whose? Used to ask about ownership or possessions. For examples, whose bag is this? Whose phone is ringing? Whose jacket is this? 6 to identify the owner of something. Next, why? Used to ask about reason or causes. For examples, why are you late? Why do you study English? Why did you leave the meeting early yesterday? Ask for explanations, often answered with because. Next, how? How used to ask about the way something happens or a person's conditions. For examples, how are you? How do you make coffee? How was your weekend? Refers to manner or process. And this is variation of how. Examples: number 1, how old are you? Asking about age. Number 2, how many books do you have? Countable nouns. Number 3, how much water do you drink? Uncountable nouns. Number 4, how long is the movie? Is for durations. Number 5, how often do you exercise? For frequency. Number 6, how far is your campus? For distance. Makes how more specific. Question structure. Formula: question word plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb. Examples: what do you like? Where does she live? Why are they happy? Note: the auxiliary verb do, does, did is used for grammatical accuracy. Question without auxiliary verbs. Sometimes a question word can be the subject of a sentence, so do, does, did is not required. For examples, who broke the glass? What happened? Who came first? These are called subject questions. Practice 1. Fill in the blanks with the correct question words. Number 1. Blah 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 is your favorite subject. Number 2. Blah blah blah. Are you going after class? Number 3. Blah 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 called you last night. So, this is the answer key for number 1 is what. Number 2 is where. Number 3 is who. So, number 1, what is your favorite subject? Number 2, where are you going after class? Number 3, who called you last night? Summary. Let's summarize today's lesson. Number 1, question words help us ask for specific information. Number 2, each question word has a different functions. Number 3, correct sentence structure is essential for clear communications. Number 4, practice daily to improve fluency and accuracy. This is common mistakes. Avoid common grammatical errors. For example, where you live, but where do you live? Who you are, but who are you? What means this word? But what does this word means? Tips: always use correct word order for clarity. Every good question begins with the right question words. So keep asking, keep exploring, and keep learning. Thank you. Bye bye.